Diamond Divas. I have something else, and Crystal. Crystal, showing you crystals. Anyway, I have something new to show you today. This is for doodling. It's called Adorn It. There's a monthly kit you can get, and this is like the introductory pack. There's a little book, and it's called DoodleeDo It. And I'll show you a little bit what's in here. It's the ultimate guide to learning cute and creative doodling. And I'll show you some of the contents in here. Let me see if I can maybe put you in here. Alright. And it's just basic shapes and ways to dress up basic shapes and how you can put basic shapes together into really fun things to draw. Right? Flowers and people and animals and edges and things that dangle down and Christmas stuff. So there's holiday stuff. Winter, spring, summer, and fall.
Trees, lemons, suns.
Yep. Trees and lemons and fall and pumpkins and
spiders and bats.
Probably, yeah.
I just saw on the other page.
Okay, and then yes, and there's girl stuff and boy stuff. And then with the kit you can also get, and it comes in like a package like this. I'll bite ya.
Hey.
I'll bite ya. Comes in a little package like this, and I love this little girl in the front. So cute. And these are templates. They're practice templates. They're just a lot of pieces of paper that are printed with this outline. It's a tablet that you can doodle in between these. And this is the monthly kit you can get. And it comes in this really gorgeous box. It's got little kids along the edges, and it's got your diddly-do things on it. And let's see what is in this gorgeous box. You get a round of 12, I believe. Now let me pull you back a little bit first so you can see the rest of the box. See? And it has a thank you card. And the thank you card, without my glasses, says, okay, it has papers and washies and a style writer and hole reinforcements, a notepad, seam binding, paper clips, tags, fun things. Okay, so it's a doodly-do. We're opening this up. Let me see what's in this new kit. Oh, that's cute, washi. Thank you. Crystal brought me my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. Ta-da! Alright. This is a washi tape that has like colored paint splotch. And this is a black and white one. Grid. And that would be good for like marking off sections in your journal.
Rainbow dots.
That's right. She likes the confetti, yes. It's going to get all over my dining room any minute now. Yeah, it'll get all over my dining room. Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Alright. Alright. In here, in this kit, and I have no idea really. This is my first kit I'm getting and opening.
Ooh, a hole stamper.
Yeah, a hole puncher. It's a one punch. Okay, and it's a pen. It's an orange and pink pen with a pink jewel on the end. All right, that's interesting.
Now the confetti.
I don't want to edit everything. Okay, and here is a pack of cards. Let's see what the cards are. Oh, 3x5 cards that have like rainbow stripes on them. That's cool. Now each of these boxes is $35 for the month. And it says on the back here a total of $39.50 is what they add things up to be. These are tags, large tags.
Those tags.
I'm getting there, I'm getting there, I'm getting there. Okay, this is the seam tape. These are the tiny, tiny little paper clips. I think that's what Crystal wanted to see. Alright. These will be the hole reinforcers. These are really fun. They said they have like 12 different packages. And then, like, you would get whatever month, like this is September, so I got September's kit. And when they start in January, you know, you'd get the January kit, you get it all, so that you eventually get all 12 of them. You just don't get them in, like, 1, 2, 3 order.
I want to have the package.
Alright, these are the hole reinforcers. We know what they look like. Just goofy over here.
I just wanted the package to rip.
See, Marge, I have one that likes to come in here in the middle of my my videos too. It's a rainbow pad. Isn't that pretty? I like things that come in rainbow colors.
Me too.
I'm a
just
color.
Like unicorns.
I'm a color person.
Just like unicorns.
Unicorns with the rainbow farts.
Yes.
You know, there's a somebody has a wax that they have it smell nice, and they call it rainbow farts. It smells like cotton candy. Okay, this one has some really cool rainbow like stickers. And stop now. Let me see what all the rest of the papers look like. And I guess you can punch holes in these and put it in a notebook, and you can doodle on them. One thing I wish they'd have with this, and maybe they have it online, but I don't see a card with it on, like ideas of what you can do with it. It's probably online, and I have to go online to look at it. There's a couple papers. Oh, here's one. I spoke too soon. Cut and color these pockets to add to your 5 1/8 by 8 1/2 page. Glue or stick on 3 sides to create the pocket. And it says, you know, cut, color, and journal. So there's 2 pages of those. And 2 pages of the blue flower. So it's like a denim kit almost. It's got like indigo and blue ink. Very pretty. And they're double-sided. I see that they are double-sided papers too. Yeah, isn't that nice? Good. So, I'll have to open this up and see. Show you what I can make with it at some point. Okay? Anyway. That's fun. We'll have to do some doodling, and you can doodle with me sometime. Something else fun to do. Alright, so that is Adorn It. The doodle kit. Okay, the monthly kit. So, looks like fun to me. Alrighty. Well, I will see you soon. Hopefully the next videos will come and they'll have stuff about the flea market. Don't forget the contest. Don't forget the contest. If you put a comment underneath the video that says the last video I did, it had Crystal Unwraps streamer design and a giveaway. If you put a comment, any kind of comment, just put Dreamer, if you want to, as a comment underneath there, and anybody who puts a comment under that video will be up for the giveaway that will be on Sunday, September 25th at about 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So don't forget the contest. I want to be able to give that kit away. You'll see the kit that you can win in that video. So, okay, I shall see you soon, friends. Bye.